Thanks, Keon. The continued impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on Jamaica will once again result in the Reggae Marathon, Half Marathon, and the 10K being staged mainly virtually. The event, which went virtual for the first time last year, will require competitors to complete their run between November 13 and December 5 on a course of their choice. However, as was the case in 2020, race director Alfred Francis says provisions will be made for participants to also run the course in person in the grill when the event is staged on December 5.
Wanted to have a physical run. We wanted to have a physical run this year, but the protocol as outlined based on the state of the nation, we are unable to do that. But what occurred last year was that a lot of persons did travel from abroad and they came to Negril and they ran on the Reggae Marathon course. This will happen again this year. We'll make sure that the miles are well documented on the course so persons can utilize the course and they run at their own time, in their own space.
All those things and more. But it is also important to mention
also revealed that a particular feature will also return for this year's staging.
That persons can break up their event. So if you're going to run a marathon, which is 26 miles or 42K, you may be able to run it in 11K, 5K distances over multiple days, completing the 42. For the marathon, for the half, which is 13.1 miles or 21 kilometers, you can break it up in 5Ks, 10Ks, whatever suits you. And then the aggregate time you submit with the distance.
Participants from over 30 countries took part in last year's staging. Deadline for entries for this year's Reggae Marathon closes on November 29.